Hey everybody, welcome to Fix Your Sister's Crown Sunday evening dinner. Tonight we are making chicken and dumplings. Stay tuned. So growing up, I remember some Friday evenings. We'll all be home. My daddy worked hard all week long, and it just was one of those days that you feel like you're gonna wind down, and my mom would make one of his favorite meals, which is chicken and dumplings. Now, I never really liked it back then, but then as I got older, I kind of acquired a taste for it. So I always wondered, can I make that? Is this something I can make? We will see. Let's try it. There you go. You got to know how to work it. Alright, let's taste the sauce first. Ooh. Ooh! Thank you! Let me tell you something. This sauce is good. If you don't like dumplings, you can actually leave the dumpling off and make this as a soup. God, that's good. Oh, I like that. Alright, let's try the dumpling. So the key to making a good dumpling is only let it sit in that soup for maybe 15 minutes, if that, because you don't want the dumpling to get soggy in the middle. And this ain't soggy at all. This is so good. Mmm.